Unlock the secret to captivating photos with stunningly blurred backgrounds right from your Canon Eos 250d. First, set your camera to aperture priority mode. This gives you direct control over the aperture, which is crucial for background blur. Next, lower your f number as much as possible. A smaller f number, like f18 or f28, means a wider aperture and a shallower depth of field, leading to more blur. Then, utilize a longer focal length. If you're using a kit lens, zoom all the way into its longest setting. Prime lenses with wider apertures excel here. Now, increase the distance between your subject and the background. The further away the background is, the more pronounced the blur will appear. Finally, get closer to your subject. The closer you are, the less depth of field, dramatically enhancing that beautiful background blur you're aiming for. I'm mastering these three elements: aperture, focal length, and distance. You can consistently achieve professional images with stunning subject isolation on your Canon Eos 250d. Experiment and create your own amazing bokeh.